Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of this video sequence, following from my earlier video where I've shared with you the 5 tips to create effective whiteboard videos and also the quick run through of the file breakdown of Whiteboard Video Packs. Now in this video today, I'll be going through with you on how to use Whiteboard Video Packs with Explaindio. Okay, firstly, let's head over to the members area. Once you're logged into whiteboardvideopacks.com/members, you should see a list of products which you have purchased. Let's go into the primary product. Then you should see the download page where you will have access to all the download links for the first pack. Now this is a huge pack. That's the reason why I had to break down the packs into separate links. And with the feedback from some of you, I've created a secondary link for Video Packs 1. Okay, and this has been specifically organized for Explaindio. Okay, so that it's much easier for you to import into the program. Okay, so I highly recommend for those of you who are Explaindio users to come back in and download this second link over here. Okay, so after you've downloaded each and every one of these links, okay, you should have your folders like these, okay, vidpacks 1 to vidpacks 6, okay. So what you need to do is to unzip them. To unzip, just right click on extract all. All right. So when you've done that, you should see these extracted folders over here. Okay, so now I'm just going to quickly run through you each and every pack within. All right, just very quickly. Okay, so as you can see in this video pack 1, the second link which I provided over here, okay, it should look something like this, where I've just sorted it into the black and white, the color, and the strokes folder. Okay, and this is just a preview of everything. Okay, so black and white. Okay, let's just run through very quickly. This is how they look like, and the color version. Okay. And as for strokes, okay, what strokes mean is that there isn't the feel inside the body. Okay, if you open this up, then you see it. It goes through. Okay, unlike the black and white, the inside is actually white. So this one has got no feel in it. Okay, so for Video Packs 2, these are background loops. All right. And these Video Pack 3, these are animated elements. Okay, GIFs are just the previews which I used on the website. MOV alpha, I mentioned very briefly in my previous video. It means that it's actually transparent on the background layer. Okay, whereas MP4, these are actually white background. Okay, so MOV would be transparent over here. So these are great to use if you want to capture attention in specific segments or areas of your scene. Okay, Video Pack 4, these are transition effects. Again, we also provide MOV for this. Okay, these are really cool. I really like these ones we've done. Okay. And Video Pack 5, these are abstract images which you can use for multi-purpose even in your graphic designs and not just videos. And finally, Video Pack 6, we have put some royalty-free music for you. Okay, there's about 100 over tracks over here, which you can check out from the listing. Okay, so now let's head over to my favorite whiteboard software, and I'll show you how to actually import some of these packs into the software. Okay, so this is Explaindio. As you can see, I'm on version 1.014. And what the other thing that I really like about Explaindio is that the creator, Andrew Darius, he's constantly updating this. He's constantly adding new features into this software so that you can create better videos and more captivating things within your whiteboard animation. And it's very unlike a lot of softwares out there where they just create and that's it. But Andrew Darius is constantly innovating, constantly adding new stuff for all his customers. Okay, so to import the Whiteboard Video Packs, what you want to do is to head over to this big import button here. And as you can see, there are several features. Okay, what you should pay attention to is mainly import MP3, import image pack, and import sketch pack. Okay, I will start with the sketch pack because that is the main feature of Whiteboard Video Packs, which is all the whiteboard doodles and the characters and elements you see in the video from our website. Okay, so to do this, what you want to do is to hit the browse. Okay, then just locate where you've downloaded the packs earlier on. Okay, so when you've unzipped it in Video Packs 1, what you want to do is go in, then pick the option that you want to use. I'm going to go ahead with color. Okay, then zip this in. All right, once you've zipped it, then you import it in. Okay, all right, so import is complete. Now let's just check it out by creating a project. Okay, let's create a new scene. Okay, then click on Add SVG. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. Okay, which renders the whole hand drawing motion with Explaindio. Okay, so as you can see, it is right here. We've just imported the entire packs. Okay, right, and if you preview this, okay, it draws everything out for you. Okay, pretty cool. All right, but of course, if you are going to import one by one, it's quite a lot of work to do. So I'm going to show you a little trick on how you can import everything in mere second. All right. Okay, so what you want to do is to head over to your computer. Okay, go into your C drive, then your program files 86, and Explaindio Video Creator, which is where your software has been installed. Okay, then in here you want to go into the folder SVG. Okay, very easy. All right, so this is your entire library. Okay, then I'll go back to where I've just downloaded my packs. Okay, again, I'm going to pick the color option I want to use, then I'm just going to drag and drop everything over. So I've just imported the first collection, which is the Businessman. So now I'm just going to drag and drop over everything else. Okay, so I've actually marked a C over here to show you that it is colored. Okay, I'm going to do one which is just black and white. Okay, let's just drag and drop everything in here as well. Okay, so now let's go back to our Explaindio. Let's remove this. Okay, when I add SVG, you can see I've imported everything in here. This is the black and white, this is the colored, black and white, colored, the different characters. Okay, so very easy. I've reorganized everything, listening to your feedback, and now this is what we have. We have it more organized, and it's a lot easier for you to bring them in. And of course, if you want to rename them, you can just simply do it. As I said, just locate it in your C drive, program files, Explaindio, your SVG. You can name them to anything that suits you better. Okay. Okay, so let's close this canvas. Now for your MPEG 4s, which are like your background loops, your animated elements, and etc. Okay, they are for Explaindio, it only recognizes MP4. Okay, so what you can do is to actually add a scene background. Okay, so I'm gonna go into Video Packs 2. And then let's try and see how this looks like. Okay, so if I want to make this quicker, I can just slide the action duration to be faster. Okay. Now, of course, there's a whole bunch of things that you can play with here. You can actually make them fly in, Okay, you can just fade in, or you know, sketch by hand. That's everybody's favorite. Okay, so the MPEG photos, as I said, you can just add them in through the scene background. Okay, or alternatively, if you don't want to use the animation, you can actually use the static image, which you can locate in your video pack 5, which is the abstract image background. Okay. I'll have to switch this off first. Okay. All right. So lastly, I'm just going to run through the audio. Okay. So as you can see, there's no audio files in your library at the moment. You can also use your audio individually by browsing it through your folder. Okay. Or what I would do. Okay. Okay. Or alternatively, what you can do, and what I would do, is to use the shortcut method. Okay, again, going back to your Explaindio software folder of your computer, just head to the music folder. Okay, then go back to your packs where you've downloaded. Okay, then just drag and drop, voila. Okay, and it's in your library. So when you now go back to audio, okay, it's all in here. Very easy. Okay. Okay, so that's about all for now. If you want to grab hold of Explaindio, which I highly recommend, okay, you can actually grab it through this link. Okay, let me write it down here for you guys. Okay, you can get it at kayte-lee.com/likes-explaindio. Okay, what I'm going to show you as well is this little trick that you can do to actually grab the software for only $1. I mean, it's a trial, of course, but for some of you who are unsure whether this is for you yet, you can actually just try it out for $1. I mean, it's less than a cup of coffee, right? And this is an amazing software which I use a lot in my business, and I highly recommend it to anyone who wants to actually implement whiteboard videos in their business. Okay, so once you have pasted the link, kayte-lee.com/likes-explaindio, you actually come to this website here. Now what you want to do is to actually just close the browser. All right, then you actually get a little pop-up which says get Explaindio for $1. Now what you want to do is to click on stay on this page. Okay, and you can basically get started for just $1. All right, very easy. Okay, so that's the end of this session. I hope you liked what I've demonstrated to you. Whatever feedbacks, you know, I'm all ears. I will try my best to go through each and every one of them and also respond at my time. All right, but other than that, I'll be sending you more tips, more strategies, more demos, and more reviews your way. Okay, so stay in touch and stay tuned.